Hello and welcome to Homegrown Income Knowledge again. Greetings once again. It's your favorite channel, your best channel for everything about financial literacy and how you can get ahead in this new age of making money. So, right, very quick, Homegrown Incomes, as you already know, I've been always updating you with the best stuff and the new methods of how you can get ahead, primarily with affiliate marketing and the best money making ways that is online. So like that, Homegrown comes back here with a new update. And this new update is very simple. I just really want to let you know that exchanging money and the new ways that we make transactions has pretty much changed. Uh, we are no more living in the 2010s, like the early 2000s. A whole lot of things have really changed when it comes to making transactions and exchanging money. So you should look up to the system that you're living in, and wherever that you are, I hope you can have access to a credit card. So pretty much credit cards are something that has been around for a while now. But most people like our new age, millennials, Gen Zs, most people are still adapting to the methods of their fathers and their mothers, not knowing much about how we can take advantage of these credit cards and leverage our money and leverage the system in our benefit. So pretty much anytime you go out there to make a purchase, you should really take one of your credit cards, whether it's like you're having a paper. I mean, like, I can really show you a lot more. Take it and swipe. I'm being careful right here because I don't really want to show any of my information, my credentials, or what for you to let my information be leaked. So just like that, I've shown enough. So you should really be swiping your cards, whether it's a travel reward card or whatever that you are having. You should keep swiping it, and doing like that, you are building a relationship with your banks and ahead in times when you need help, whether it's financial help that you need a loan, or maybe you really want to finance something which is going to be much more helpful to you. They can really see that you have been constantly buying and paying in full. So that is how it is. So if you are not using the credit cards like that, they are never really going to trust you. And when the time comes when you are really having the opportunity, you are going to let the opportunity slide away. So it's been like that, and it's how things are working. So you can be having points accumulated, or you can be having lunches or a whole lot of advantages with each credit cards, and most importantly is the credit limit. Like I'm having one over here. I'm with the Unicredit, and this is a gold card. I'm a gold member. I'm having a good credit card. This is a real credit card. This is not a real travel points or something like that. This is a real credit card, and I'm having a 3,000 ride on it, and it's up to a 15,000. So anytime I buy something and I swipe, I'm building a relationship with them, letting them know that I've been buying and paying in full. So when the time comes and legitimately I qualify for whatever they asking, maybe if I want to increase my credit limit points, and I can move from a 3,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000 as it gets. So this is where the advantage really comes in when you are a startup, maybe with a project or something. You are business conscious. or you are an entrepreneur and you need funds to fund your business. Let me put example right here. Maybe you didn't know this information, and earlier on you were withdrawing and using cash as a method of payment. You are going to lack the advantage of that credit card because you didn't know what uh, it entails and how it can really help you to push your business ahead. Having money that is an OPM system, that is other people's money that they're going to give it to you to start up your business or your project with interest free. That is it. Like on a normal basics, you'll be going to the the bank to be asking for a 3,000 loan. They're going to put an interest right on it. But if you keep building a relationship, having a real credit card, and being swiping it anytime that you've been making your transactions, they are going to trust you and load these credit cards constantly, monthly basis with 3,000, whatever that your credit limit is, depending on um, your salary or your annual income that you can apply for. So that also helps you to push every project that you are doing in a quick pace, and you can have the advantages without having all the interest with having a real loan. So this one comes with zero interest. That is what these credit cards are, are made up for. So I've been taking advantage of it, and maybe you are going to be like, oh, what actual business am I having? What actual business am I having? My business is right here. My business is homegrown incomes, and I'm having a whole line of other health and fitness website, which is Forever Combo Fitness on another side, and Amankwa Art. I'm also into the creative art industry, so I'm also having that brand also aside, and with time I'm building all those kind of things. And even right down in the description you can find a link to buy my merchandise, where I'm having a QR code on the neck labels of all these creative shirts that I've really created. It came out from my creativity, and I've made all these abstracts in these shirts that you can really choose. And when it arrives at your doorsteps, you can scan the QR codes on the net level to have my ebook. To start learning about how to make money online, and like the basics that has been working for me, you can be having it with at ease when you buy and support my merchandise. So right, very quick, you shouldn't neglect the advantages that these credit cards can be really giving you. Not all these ones are actual credit cards. I'm going to really show you again. Sorry. Not all these are actual credit cards. Some are debit cards and some are prepaid cards. But on a real much more important note, yeah, you can see it right here. On a real much more important note, this is my actual credit card. But all these ones are also having their own privileges and their advantages. But you should actually be applying for an actual credit card. That is it. So if you want a travel reward card, you can also go for that one. Also, as it also works differently depending on your needs and what your purpose is. In the application of what you want, in the application of the card that you want, you should decide whether you want travel cards or an actual credit card where you can be having a massive credit limit where you can use to start off any project or any business that you are trying to get on. So it shouldn't be much more complicated if you are starting up with any project or any business. Like, take everything that you're doing serious. This is my affiliate marketing journey. I'm much more into affiliate marketing, and everything that I'm doing, I know exactly my target and my goals. Write everything down. Know what you're going for, so that everything that you're doing, like what I'm saying, these credit cards, you can have a purpose and a goal to achieve and hit your target. So just like that, it is like that, and we should keep ourselves together. Learn and learn without exhausting. Keep reading, whether it's a simple book or a big complicated book. Never see any book like it's complicated. Get the knowledge and the necessary knowledge that you is inside. Uh, if English is not your first language, as English is not my first language, it's my second language, you should really try to be using translated. Get entailed details of every book that you're reading, and as it is, secrets are hidden in everywhere, and like that, maybe you should weren't knowing about the secret of having a credit card. You've been seeing it all around. People have been swiping it, and you don't know what it entails. You can start off your little projects with no loan from the banks by using other people's money, which is the OPM system that literally only a few knows about and taking advantage, and the 1% are taking advantage of it, and like that you can get your way out from the 9 to 5 and get yourself going. Start your little business, push it as much as you can, and it is going to flourish as much as your faith and your belief stands up to it. So, like that, homegrown incomes, I'm right here, and I really want to thank every one of you for supporting my page. I've been back and forth, but y'all know that this life, it is ups and downs. Be creative in whatever that you're doing. Never stop what you're doing. Keep going. Pursue your journey. Pursue your goals. It will take just a little effort, a little step for you to reach your destination. Maybe that next move that you are refusing to be making will be the next one that is going to change your entire life. That is why I keep coming back with updates that I think is going to help my subscribers. You've all trusted me with your follows, your subscribes, your likes, and your comments. I want to see you right here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe and the bell notification and like and comment. And you can look up for more details about this credit card. But I just wanted to really put a little glance, let you to see a little details about what these credit cards entails. So this is how it is, and I know you get it. So like that, homegrown incomes, I really thank you for being right here with me and following all my updates and all my valuable knowledge. I'll be having a lot of links right down to follow me and to get into the journey that I've built for most 13 years online. Like that, homegrown incomes. You are going to be great. Thanks, and see you in the next update. Peace out.